If you've ever wanted to find old tweets on X, formerly known as Twitter, this video is going to show you the quickest way to do it. Whether you're looking for your own past post, a specific topic, a quote, or a tweet from a certain date, this method can help you narrow it down fast. And the best part is, it only takes a few clicks. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple step-by-step tech guides like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open x.com and make sure you're signed into your account. Once you're on the homepage, look for the Explore section and click it. This is where X lets you search through trending topics, hashtags, and keywords across the platform. Now, in the search bar, type the keyword, phrase, username, or topic you want to look up, then press enter. You'll now see the regular search results, but if you want to find older tweets more accurately, the next step is important. Look for the three dots icon near the search options and click it. From the menu that appears, choose Advanced Search. This opens a more powerful search tool that gives you extra filters instead of just basic keyword results. Here, you can refine your search by words, accounts, engagement, and most importantly, date range. Scroll through the advanced search options until you find the date section. Set the from and to dates for the time period you want to search. This is what helps you find old tweets from a specific month, year, or event. Once your date range is set, click Search. X will now display tweets that match your keyword and fall within the exact time period you selected. This makes it much easier to find old posts without scrolling endlessly through your feed. If you don't get the exact result right away, try adjusting your keyword or changing the date range slightly. Sometimes using a more specific phrase, a hashtag, or an account name can help you find a tweet faster. And if you're searching for your own old tweets, this method is especially useful for locating posts you made years ago. So to quickly recap, click Explore, type your keyword, press Enter, open the three dots menu, choose Advanced Search, set your date range, and click Search. That's it. Now you know how to see old tweets on X or Twitter in just a few easy steps. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.